Hi children, welcome you all for the today's English class. So in this session we are going to read and write. Come, let's start. So make use of this opportunity children. So please follow the instruction. Write the lines as it is. We are following because Principal Ma'am instructed clearly that only 6 lines need to be written every day on our sessions. So while we are sending the teaching videos, along with that we will send the handwriting video also. Please follow, read and send your videos Ruby's English group, and write and send it to your handwriting book photocopies through Teachment. Please follow the instruction children and do as it is children. Let's move on to the session now. Children, let's start the reading part. So children, take your course book, reader, page number 13, first chapter, Home, Be a Friend. So children, session up to the last session we have completed the first prose, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. Now we have started the next poem, that is first poem, Be a Friend. So take your course book English Fairy, page number 13, Be a Friend, poem 1. Children, let's start today's reading part from your course book English Fairy, page number 13, first poem, Be a Friend. So take your textbook children, English Fairy, page number 13, poem 1, Be a Friend. Keep your fingers and follow me children. Warm up, W-A-R-M, warm up, warm up. Imagine, I-M-A-G-I-N-E, imagine that you and your friend have had an argument. I'll repeat children. Keep your fingers and follow me and read along with me children. Imagine that you and your friend have had an argument. Your friend is very upset. Your friend is very upset. Later in the day, you realize that it was actually your fault. Later in the day, you realize that it was actually your fault. What will you do? What will you do? Let's read on and read the first paragraph, first stanza of the poem. See here, reading. Let's read a poem. Let's. How to pronounce this word children? Let's. L-E-T'-S. Let's read a poem where the poet talks about ways to become a good friend. Let's read a poem where the poet talks about ways to become a good friend. Look at the first stanza here children. Be a friend. Be a friend. You don't need money. You don't need money. Just a disposition. D-I-S, disposition. P-O, S-I-C-T-I-O-N, shun. Disposition, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Be a friend. You don't need, you don't. D-O-N'-T. How to pronounce this word children? Don't. You don't need money. Just a disposition, sunny. Just the wish to help. W-I-S-H, wish to help another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, help another. Get along some way or other. Get along some way or other. Just the wish to help another. Get along some way or other. Just a kindly hand extend. Just a kindly hand extended out to one who's befriended, unbefriended. Just a kindly hand extended. E-X-T-E-N-D-E-D, extended. Just a kindly hand extended out to one whose, W-H-O'-S, whose unbefriended. UN un be friended. 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 Unbefriended. I'll repeat, children. Just a kindly hand extended. 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 Just kindly hand extended out to one who's unbefriended. unbefriended. friended. Friended. Unbefriended. Just the will to give or lend. Just the will to give or lend. Just the will to give or lend. This will make you someone's friend. This will make you someone's friend. So I'll repeat the stanza again, children. Read along with me, children. Be a friend. You don't need money. Just a disposition sunny. Just the wish to help another. Get along some way or other. Just a kindly hand extended out to one who's unbefriended. Just the will to give or lend. This will make you someone's friend. So that's all from the first stanza from our today's reading session, children. Now let's move on to the writing part. Read this first stanza from your textbook and send your video in the group. Let's see the handwriting part now. Take your handwriting book and follow the instruction. Write the date first, children. Then draw lines and please follow the page. Maintain the page. Please don't write extra lines. Only when we have a English teaching video, we have write handwriting session. In that session, how many lines I am writing, the same line should be written in your handwriting book. So this will be checked by ma'am when you submit your handwriting book. So please write along with me and don't write the extra pages and don't write ugly. It should be neat with proper pattern. So as it is given the dotted lines, your handwriting should be maintained. So please cooperate with us and do the needful. Let's move on to the today's writing part. Children, let's start today's handwriting part. So take your handwriting book, children. Page number 3. Write today's date, children. 24/8/2021. Today we are going to write this W and E, children. First, let's start the dotted line, children. Start from the dotted line here. Dotted line. Write over the dotted line, children, properly. Sharp your pencil. Draw lines like this. Follow the same pattern, children. Slowly you should write this dotted line first. Write over the dotted line. Write slowly. Then we need to write the next line. See here. So follow the same pattern, children. Write slowly and neatly like this. Now we have completed, that is W. Write slowly, children, like this. So we have completed the first stroke. Now we are going to write the next stroke from page number 4. Letter E. Write slowly over the dotted line first. So see here. This is what we need to write slowly. So write slowly, children. Over the dotted line first. So write over the dotted line, children. Slowly. like this. Then we need to write the next line. First write over the dotted line, children, like this. Complete the dotted line, then write the next line, children, slowly like this. Start from this line. So this is the way we need to write, children. Slowly write neatly with the same pattern. Write slowly like this, children. So this is the way we need to write the strokes, children. So now we have completed this W and E. Remaining line you need to write, children. Write neatly and send your photocopy in Teachment. Children, follow the instruction and do your work properly and send your assignments regularly. So children, your reading video to be sent in group, that is Emerald English group, and your handwriting should be uploaded. Your photocopy of your handwriting should be uploaded through Teachment.